Alright, I've got a Maytag front load dryer here. And I've got it running. Sounds great. I want to show you that it does in fact heat like it's supposed to. It just switched over to, I don't have anything in it at the moment, but we'll shoot our little heat gun right in there. See, there's plenty of heat coming out of there. And the inside's getting nice and hot. Let me turn that back over here. We'll go to time dry. Let it warm back up just a second. Because I had it on auto and it knew that there was nothing in there, so it switched the time from about an hour down to a minute, which would have kicked the heating element in low or off. So we'll put it on full heat here and take another reading just to be sure also that it works in time dry as well as sensor dry. And actually used this unit personally for about 6 months till I found a matching dryer for my set. So I know this one works great. Went ahead and did a thorough cleaning through it again. Of course everything checks out just fine. Yeah, there we go. And that's about where you want it coming out of that tube to get the inside nice and hot. Heats up anywhere between 100 to 195, just kind of depends on what setting you have it on and where you have it at. So there you have it. Just wanted you to be able to see that it works great. Everything on it's in excellent shape, and maybe I can show you here what I was talking about with the knob. If you turn this slowly, well, see, there it goes, going backwards. It's kind of strange. So sometimes it kicks backwards, which doesn't make much sense, but see, so backwards it seems to work good. Which doesn't affect its ability to dry at all. And I've taken all this apart and made sure it was clean, and it is all clean. So if you wanted to go to regular dry, which the wrinkle control is cool because it kicks a few extra minutes where it'll keep it going, stop for a while, and then about 10 minutes later keep it going. That way you keep your wrinkles out. But these two right here, this one and maybe now maybe I can see why my wife got annoyed with it. So there we go. And there we go. It's like it just needs a little break in between switching. But then you just hit the knob after you close the door. Just hit the knob and it fires right up. And what I do with it is if you open and put a bunch of clothes in and close it, sets it on time dry, 40 minutes, hit go. And that typically would take care of it for me every time. So I didn't really mess with it or notice it much, but my wife liked to use all the different settings, so she would complain about it. Other than that, that's it. It's excellent working dryer. It's in excellent shape. So appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.